Even as the news of Priyanka Gandhi's arrest has trickled in, the big story is that Priyanka is unaware of it. She's not been given any notice or any paper, and we are with the legal counsel of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Varun Chopra is here. He will be representing Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and the others. And Shahab, of course, is with Priyanka in her office, the legal aid. Let's speak to Varun straight away. And Varun, what do you make of the news that Priyanka is arrested under certain sections for disturbing law and order? How is there a huge loophole in the entire legal argument?
See, at the outset, I must say this, that this is a complete constitutional violation of my client's rights, completely. Articles 19, 19A, 22. I am a lawyer, I am not permitted to meet her. I've been here since last evening, I've been here the entire day. We have not been permitted to meet her. We are not aware under what laws have we been detained. Even assuming that we have been detained, the CRPC clearly says that I have to be presented to the magistrate. I have not been done that.
24 hours have been passed.
24 hours, more than 24 hours, everybody is aware. The entire country is aware that she's been detained for more than 24 hours. Under what laws? We want to understand.
So two big takeaways right now. One is that they're not aware of what sections have been pressed upon her. And then secondly, they're not allowed to meet her. Thirdly,
we don't have any documents so far. We don't have any documents so far. What we comment upon. We don't have FIR copy. We don't know someone. Where is executive order? What section? We don't know. And you are not allowing us to meet.
See, the detention which has taken place is on what basis, under what law, what order, whether an executive order or an FIR, etc. Nothing has been informed. You have to inform, you have to serve, you have to properly do it. A detainee also has his rights. If suppose they have done a house arrest also has to be followed by a procedure. You have to take out magistrate's order, everything has to be done within the mandate of law. Is that been done? That's the first question I ask myself. Secondly, have you permitted my client under Article 22 to have a legal aid or a counsel to be represented? Till now, nothing. We've been waiting here. We've been waiting here. In fact,
various sections have been violated.
Various sections. We have been waiting on the gates. We have seen people saying that, no, don't permit these lawyers to go inside. Why? Why can't I meet my client? Why can't I meet Ms. Vadra? What is the reason? We believe that there are certain other reasons because of which she's been detained. And she has been retained, and so that she can't even have a proper legal counsel to her effect. Because, you know, right and the rights of a client, of a person will always prevail in law.
That's exclusive details that we are getting. The council saying that this is an infringement upon the rights of a citizen to defend oneself. And importantly, as he said, that they've been saying that they are the legal counsel and purposely, intentionally, you've been stopped. Priyanka Gandhi has been denied legal aid.
Yes, I believe so. We have been standing here. We have been standing here since the morning. Nothing. We've been requesting, please permit us to meet. Please permit us to meet. We can't enter. You can't go inside. Why can't we go inside? We are lawyers. You have to permit me. Even suppose
there is a notice that we see, a torn notice that we see on social media. Have you taken notice?
I am not aware of that. And if it is a torn notice, I don't believe it's mandated under law. If there is something like that, please provide us. Give us a copy, serve upon her. Then only we'll do something.
Tell us what is our crime.
Have you been able to talk to her?
Yes, I spoke to her once, but nothing has been served to her so far. Yes.
So here you are, India Today, getting these exclusive details, and importantly, Varun Chopra has confirmed that Priyanka has been denied legal aid, several rights infringed, no copy received yet, no knowledge or even information or a telephonic information received as far as the arrest is concerned, and they really don't know what the administration is up to. My last question, what's the next step for you?
Next step is wait. We wait.
So
we wait unless and until you serve me something. You permit me to at least meet. Let us understand what the position is. We will seek if there is any legal course. We will understand and we will move forward. There has to be some prudence put to it. We can't just stand there.
So they'll wait and see how this really unfolds. But right now they are at a dead end with no communication from the administration. With video journalist Pawan, this is Mosmi Singh in Sitapur for India Today.